Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Tzowla 35-liter anti-theft laptop backpack, a must-have for commuters and travelers alike. This backpack boasts an innovative anti-theft design with a digital security lock, side spring rope, double security hooks, and RFID safe technology, ensuring your belongings are always secure. With external dimensions of 20 by 11.8 by 5.5 inches, it offers a sturdy build featuring waterproof 300D outer nylon and a padded interior for exceptional durability. The Tzowla backpack is not only spacious, with a separate compartment for laptops up to 15.6 inches, but also organized, thanks to its front compartment with multiple pockets and a key hook. It includes a convenient USB port with a built-in charging cable for easy phone charging on the go, and a headphone port for seamless earphone access. Designed for versatility, this unisex backpack is perfect for everyday office use or travel, with a variety of built-in compartments to keep your items neatly arranged. Suitable for anyone over 15 years old, the Tzowla backpack combines functionality, security, and style in one impressive package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.